Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. It does not constitute personalized financial advice. Always consult a registered professional before making decisions. Welcome, operatives. I'm Agent Novak, your covert finance specialist. Today's mission: transform your hidden pennies into fortress-worthy savings without alerting your spending habits. 5 ultra-classified hacks lie ahead. You'll need stealth, precision, and a dash of daring. Fail and your wallet remains prey. Succeed and you'll emerge with secure assets stronger than Fort Knox. This video will self-destruct. Just kidding. But your excuses will. Let's breach the vault. Agent Novak here, reporting in. Over the next 9 minutes, we'll deploy 5 mission-critical hacks to extract savings from everyday life. First, automate invisible transfers. No guard will notice. Then interrogate your bills for discount intel. Next, conduct reconnaissance in your own kitchen with meal prep operations. Fourth, turn your credit cards into cashback artillery. Finally, recruit roundup apps as your digital sidekicks. Follow my lead and you'll secure your financial perimeter. Ready your tools, lock and load your notebook, and prepare for Operation Wallet Shield. Hack 1. Invisible extraction. Automate your savings. Here's the intel. As soon as your paycheck drops, have 10 to 20% instantly diverted to a high-yield account. No manual moves, no temptation. It's like stealing from yourself. Legally. Over a 12-month patrol, even a modest 10% of a $3,000 net check per month nets $3,600 in stealth savings. That's extra ammo for emergencies, investments, or that vacation you keep denying yourself. And because it's automated, you never miss a deposit. Consider it your financial boarding pass. No gate agent can stop you. Hack 2. Bill interrogation. Call your service providers. Channel your inner covert operative. Ask for loyalty discounts, promo rates, or hardship waivers. Most providers would rather grant a 15 to 30% cut than lose you. For example, shaving 20% off a $100 monthly cable bill saves $240 annually. Do the math. That's a free subscription to your favorite streaming service for 2 years. Same tactic works on phone plans, insurance premiums, and gym memberships. Document each conversation. Agent name, reference code, promised rate. Then schedule follow-ups. Persistence wins the intel war. You'll be amazed how many fees dissolve under friendly pressure. Hack 3. Meal prep Recon. Deploy 1 hour each weekend to batch cook protein, grains and veggies. Map out 5 meals, then store them in labelled containers for Monday through Friday. Studies show meal preppers spend 50% less on takeout. Think $200 to $300 monthly. Plus, you gain full control over portions and ingredients, cutting waste and impulsive splurges. Here's your ops plan. Choose recipes with overlapping elements, like roasted chicken, steamed broccoli, and brown rice. Then mix and match spices for variety. Assemble, seal, refrigerate, and you're mission ready at breakfast. No more emergency pizza extractions. Hack 4. Weaponize Cashback. Choose cards tailored to your spending. Groceries, gas, dining. Each category can net 2 to 5% back. For instance, 3% on $500. Groceries per month gives $180 annually. Stack rotating bonus categories and sign-up offers for extra yield. Then, every month, deposit your earnings directly into savings or invest in a low-cost index fund. Over time, your cashback haul compounds alongside market gains. Pro tip: track your categories in a simple spreadsheet or app and set calendar alerts before bonus periods expire. Turn your wallet into a passive income generation device. Hack 5. Recruit roundup apps. Link your spending to an app that rounds every transaction up to the nearest dollar. Your spare change is stealth deposited into savings or an investment account. On a $4.25 coffee purchase, 75 cents vanish from sight and vault directly into your piggy bank. Over a year, this micro savings method can net $300 to $500 without altering your lifestyle. No effort, zero friction, just consistent accretion. It's quantum savings at work, small units combining into significant capital over time. Thanks for sticking around. Now for a secret hack. Hack 6. Time for a subscription sweep. Operation Ghost Expense. Most civilians leak funds through stealthy, forgotten subscriptions, streaming platforms, unused apps, gym memberships, even sneaky software trials that renew in the dead of night. Here's your covert protocol. Once every quarter, don your metaphorical night vision goggles and conduct a sweep of your financial statements, credit cards, bank accounts, even PayPal. Hunt for recurring charges that you haven't used in the last 30 days. Found a ghost expense, target acquired. Deploy your laser pen, cancel, pause, or downgrade the subscription right there. Don't let inertia drain your resources. Pro tip: deploy a subscription tracker app. Think of it as your personal surveillance drone, scanning for new and recurring charges automatically. Some banks now offer this as a built-in feature, flagging subscriptions so you can zap them before they multiply. Let's run the numbers. The average agent recovers over $500 per year by exfiltrating unused subscriptions. That's a new gadget, an upgraded emergency fund, or even seed capital for your next mission. Worried about missing out? Set a calendar reminder for a 1-month review. If you crave that service again, you can always re-enlist it, on your terms, not theirs. Every ghost charge you eliminate is another layer of armor for your financial fortress. Remember, stealth savings are the hardest for your enemies, aka your bad habits, to breach. Mission parameters: review, identify, eliminate, and repeat quarterly. Your wallet will thank you in code. Operation complete! You've secured 5 covert savings hacks and 1 secret hack. Automate transfers, negotiate bills, meal prep, maximize cashback, and round up your change. Ready for debrief? Smash that like button. Subscribe and let me know in comments which tactic you'll deploy first. Until next mission, Novak out. Yahoo!